Hi, and welcome to information about the Criminal Justice Program here at River Valley Community College. My name is Amy John, and I am the Program Director for Criminal Justice. My background is as a school psychologist for the Connecticut Department of Correction, as well as a school psychologist for various school districts. I now teach psychology courses and social science courses here at River Valley, and I'm also the liberal arts department chair, as well as department chair for business and accounting. The program mission for criminal justice is to prepare students for employment in various types of fields. This program serves as a basis to transfer as well if you're interested in completing a bachelor's degree and moving on possibly to master's or doctorate. For those already who are in the service as a police officer or any type of law enforcement officer, as well as corrections, probation, parole, this program can provide educational progress for promotion and other career development. If you're just starting out and you're looking to make a switch or just beginning your career options, you can start here and look at eventually becoming a police officer, corrections officer, work in probation, parole, the justice system, a fish and game warden, liquor investigator, security officer, immigration and customs enforcement agent. Really, the possibilities are endless. Criminal Justice Program offers an open enrollment, rolling admissions, so you can start at any time in the fall, the beginning of the spring, or summer semesters. Obviously, when looking at pursuing a criminal justice degree, depending on what area you're looking at going into, you need to be aware of the health considerations. Most applicants need to pass various health and fitness requirements in many of the criminal justice fields. Same with character expectations. Applicants should also be aware that background checks are oftentimes completed by potential employers, and if you have any prior arrests or anything of that nature, you'd want to make sure that that isn't going to hinder you from pursuing your career dreams. So why choose River Valley for your criminal justice degree? Well, this program is offered in a hybrid format in that it meets 6 times throughout the semester on Thursday evenings. The rest of the coursework is done online. So it's a nice mix of having a flexible schedule where you only need to come to campus 6 times throughout the semester, meet your professors and your fellow students, and do the remaining work online. You can also take other classes that are face-to-face. Some of your degree electives are offered face-to-face, and that gives you an opportunity to customize the program that fits you best. The other reason is we have people in the field who are currently working as judges, police officers, or have retired, and they are experts really in their field. We also offer small class sizes and very individualized attention. This is a 60-credit program. 30 of those credits are in criminal justice courses, and this can be completed in 2 years of full-time study. We have many different internship opportunities, such as at the Cheshire County Department of Correction, Crotchet Mountain Rehab, and we work with local police and law offices. Please reach out if you look for more information, and I look forward to working with you.